How to speed up Snapchat videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to speed up Snapchat videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Snapchat, log into your account, record a video by pressing and holding the sound record or round record button at bottom center of your screen. Once you have recorded, you can easily release the button to stop recording. Now you can easily swipe left on the screen until you see the Revit icon. So once you have done that, you can easily see that your video is now been speed up. You can compare the normal video and fast speed by swiping left and right. Then you can easily pick the speed you prefer. And once done, when you are happy, you can easily tap the blue arrow to move the next screen where you can add text, stickers, or effects. Once finished, tap on the blue arrow again to send your snap or add to your story. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.